star right env. If you're admin, you can edit the system variables. If you're not, you can edit environment variables of your account. If you're admin, it'll open this bottom part, which is system variables still. So now create or edit Java home. I am pointing Java home to another variable called Java 21. So I have created like two variables like this, like you can call it Java 17 home, and then you can put the value here like C colon program files, blah, blah, blah. Here I've already done this for Java 17, C colon program files, Java JDK 17. Similarly for Java 21. And to refer one variable in the value of another variable, you put them in percentage sign. This is the value. And this is the name of the variable, Java home. If you are admin, you can also do it in the bottom here under system variables. Then the second part is that you need to declare it in your path variable. So the first thing to do is to see if there is already a path of yours. So each of these lines is a separate path which Windows uses to launch a program, not only Java, but for any other program like Git or Eclipse or any other notepad, right? So see if there is a Java already, remove that. So like here, there is a Java. So I'm going to edit or remove it. Here, I'll show you how to remove it. Now I'll say new, and I'll say percentage Java home. And when I declare the Java home in the end, I don't put a slash. So here in the end, I'll add a slash, switch off caps lock, and write small case bin. So in the Java home, slash bin has the programs like java.exe. Now click somewhere outside and click on OK. Then click on this OK. Now, if you open a new command prompt and if you say set Java, you should see all your variables which begin with the word Java, like Java 17, Java 21, and most important, Java home. And if you say set path, you see the value of this. And here you can carefully see where Java home is. So like for me, it's pointing to Java 21. And if I say Java version, you see Java 21. Now, another thing which you can do is that you can change this value from a batch file. So if I open Notepad, and I open this small batch file that I have created before. So here I have set the path and I've set the Java home. So the path has all the other variables. So right now it's in multi-line mode, word wrap. If I undo word wrap, you see that it's in exactly 2 lines. So here the first part is Java 17 and the second part is Java home for Java 17. So here if I call Java that program by using the word call and space. Now if I say Java home, Java version, you see it's pointing to Java 17. Similarly, if I call J21, which is another program which I have made, 2-line text file with the extension .bat, I'll now set it to Java 21. And if I say Java version, it'll say Java 21. Hope this helps you. Thank you.